Today on TLDR from GeekWire. A GeekWire exclusive on parallel reality. A super fast drone that delivers life-saving supplies in Rwanda. And the Washington governor's response to Trump's anti-Amazon tweets. From GeekWire, it's TLDR, your daily rundown on all things tech. Hey everyone, welcome back to the show. Our first story today is about parallel reality. Now let me give you an example to show you how parallel reality works. Imagine you're at the airport and you're looking up at the big screen to find your gate. But instead of seeing everyone's gates for everyone's flights, you only see your gate for your flight. Now imagine another traveler is looking at the same screen at the same time. They'll only see their gate for their flight as well. It's completely personalized. Pretty cool, right? It might sound far off, but the Redmond, Washington-based company Misapplied Sciences has already developed the underlying technology that could make this possible. And here's a big plus. You don't need a set of bulky goggles for this. It works with the naked eye. Their display technology relies on what they call a magic pixel. Basically, with traditional display technology, a pixel will give off one color of light, but in all directions. But with a multi-view pixel, it can send different colors of light in millions of directions. That's mind-blowing, and it could completely change advertising. When you think about location technology and sensors, the possibilities are really endless, and people could do all sorts of things. Like, imagine buying a personalized message in Times Square for a marriage proposal, or if you're at a stadium, you could look up at the big screen and only see the stats of your favorite players. This stuff is really cool. I just can't. This is exciting. In other news, the aerial delivery venture Zipline has unveiled what it calls the fastest commercial delivery drone on Earth. These drones can fly as fast as 80 miles per hour, but what's really interesting is what they're actually being used for. In Rwanda, Zipline's drones have delivered about 7,000 units of blood to isolated areas in the course of more than 4,000 flights. That's Francoise, a patient in Rwanda. She says the blood she needed came to the hospital within 5 minutes of being requested, and it saved her life. Many of Zipline's deliveries in Rwanda have been made in life or death situations, and changes in the company's logistics system have sped up the time it takes to launch a flight from the time of receipt. It used to take 10 minutes, now it takes just 1. Zipline is making plans to open a second distribution center in Rwanda, and they're also making plans to take part in a US pilot program. And finally, Washington Governor Jay Inslee went after Donald Trump again on Tuesday. This time, Inslee defended one of the top job creators in his state, saying, "The president's attacks on Amazon are unfounded and misguided. A big part of Washington's economic success is due to Amazon's 40,000 plus employees in our state, and the small businesses they empower to sell to the world." The governor's response came after a series of tweets from the president that accused Amazon of ripping off the US Postal Service, which is a claim that GeekWire and other news outlets have pointed out isn't true. Package delivery is actually a rare revenue generator for the service, which is in financial trouble. Well, that's all we have for today. Make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook so you won't miss an episode. I'm Starla Sampaco. Thanks for watching TLDR. See you tomorrow.